Uh-oh, something happened. We're gonna make a tape today. Listen, people, I'm coming to you live from all the way around the world, and I want to say something to you, wherever you are, whoever you are, whoever you are, wherever you are, you know, something from nothing. Everybody has a chance to be happy sometimes, eh? Everybody loves somebody sometimes. So I'm driving home Friday night after the work day. Hey, listen, I don't want to do this. I don't want to be, you know, driving around doing what I do. But I got to, right? You gotta make $1. It's not easy. Something from nothing, eh? So, the sun is shining, the lilacs are blooming. We listen to some Spanish music from Africa. And it's alright, hey? Oh, Canada, we stand a guard for you. Anyway, listen, cheer up for Christ's sake, hey? Remember the time when things were better, hey? You can do it. I like you. Even if I don't even know you, I like you. I tell you that right now because I know you, eh? I know guys like you, eh? I know people like you all over the world, man. Everybody's the same, right? I met some guy the other day, man. He's from Iraq, man. Seems like a pretty good guy. I met another guy, hey, from Mexico. Seems like a pretty good guy. I met a lady from Saudi Arabia, man. I said, hey, seems like a pretty good girl. We wanna dance. Okay. Yes, sir. Hey, okay. It's all good now. Take it easy. Everybody take a chance. Swing to the left. Swing to the right. I gotta drive. Oh, I gotta drive. I love driving, man. Let's talk about something else. You know that sometimes you feel a little bit low. Yeah, you gotta cheer up right now. Make a pact with God. Oh, Fifth Avenue never looked so good, man. I love it. Yeah, Mexico, Nicaragua, Ecuador, Honduras, hey, Panama. People all over the world. Happiness. Okay, listen, if I don't see you, I wouldn't want to be you. Hey, bye for now, eh? I love you. Bye-bye.